Good morning, everybody. It's Teppy Schwartzel, and I'm with Arid Desert Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Now, we are going to wait a couple of seconds here. It appears that Facebook has changed everything. So, I am trying to find stuff. And where are they putting everything? I think I've got it, but now I can't see if anybody's here. Let's see what happens if I do this is. I just love it when these software companies change stuff, and you're like, okay, that's. I don't know what's going to... Oh, there we go. Okay. Got it. Okay. It's always... You're now watching a live video. The broadcaster and other viewers can see that you're watching too. Aha. Okay. It's going to take me a while to get used to the new Facebook format. I guess that's what you call it. But we're here for Card Sketch Wednesday. Happens every Wednesday at 10 o'clock Pacific time. And I also, if you make a comment on this video before the next video, which would be next Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, you will be entered in a drawing. And what I use is I use a program called Comment Picker, and what it does is it pulls everybody up that has made a comment during that entire week, and then I pick a new winner. And this week's winner is, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Arliss. It's Arlys, and I think it's Knoop, Knoop. I would greatly appreciate it if you would send me a message, a private message with your address and your email address, where you want your prize mailed out to. I am also waiting for a response from Lisa Neeland, and she won for Card Sketch 7, and I'm also waiting for Fran Marcare Farrington. That was for Card Sketch number 6. If I don't hear from Fran, I'd say by Friday, then I'm going to have to take her off the list. She was for Card Sketch number 6. So that was a few weeks ago. And Lisa Neeland was for Card Sketch number 7. And Arliss, like I said, I think it's Knoop, is for Card Sketch number 8. That was for last week. So I've got everybody's name here, and I hope to hear from you soon. As you know, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for Stampin' Up!, of course. And I am in beautiful Arizona. It's a toasty, probably, it wasn't too bad. I was just outside. Probably about 90 right now at 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's supposed to be, I think, 109 today. Yesterday it was ungodly hot, and the humidity was up around 20%, so it was a little nasty outside. If you decide that you like the products that are presented here today, and they will all be posted on my YouTube video and also on my blog, and there'll be links to everything probably by tomorrow or maybe even today. If you decide that you like those, there are links directly to my store. And if you purchase anything and it's under $150, please use this host code. If it's $150 or over, then do not use this host code. Stampin' Up! Will give you all kinds of rewards. Okay, so, and if my dog starts barking, it's garbage day. And unfortunately, she likes to bark at the garbage guy. All right, today, this is card sketch number 9. And let's see how that comes up here. And as I said, I do this a little differently. I put the DSP on there because I think it might give you a little bit better idea of how it looks. This is the DSP from the August-December 2020 mini catalog, and I believe this is from the Poinsettia place, page 14. Let's pull that up. And yes, it's from the Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper, and it's out of the Poinsettia Place suite. So there are 12 sheets of 12, there are 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and they're double-sided for the designs. This is actually the other side of this particular paper. Some beautiful papers in here. I've already done a card with this paper. This was done last week, and there's a video for it, and it's a shutter card. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Isn't it? I love the paper. Absolutely love it. Love the card. So go back if you want to see this video. It's on YouTube, and my YouTube channel is Arid Desert Designs, and it's all one word if you're trying to find me. Or type in my name and my channel should come up. Okay, so this is the other side of, for some reason my packet is really scrunched up here. This is the other side of that paper. So some beautiful papers in here. I would have liked to have used, I really want to use this one because I really like the red in here. But I'm not exactly crazy about the other side. It's a wood grain, and I've got plenty of wood grain stuff. So if you're interested in any of your products, fine. This is usually a short video because I'm just trying to give you ideas to start to try and think out the box. Again, these are just ideas. You can use them any way you want. You know, move things around. Now, a little tip, and I always try to give a little tip when I'm doing one of these. The measurements are going to be on the actual banner when I get that uploaded. The card base is Whisper White, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. Now, I also used another piece of Whisper White, and that is this piece here. I took these two pieces. This piece of DSP is 5.5 by 3 inches, and this piece is 5.5 by 1 1/4. Okay, so there is a seam there, as you can see. Now, if you were to try and do that on the card base, it'll work out fine, but I wanted ribbon on there, and I really am not a fan of ribbon that you can see on the inside. You know, sometimes it gets wrapped around. I don't like that. This also gives you a little bit more stability in the card by using another piece of Whisper White, which is the same size as the card front, the card base front, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, and the ribbon, these two ribbons are each 6.5 inches, and I used mini glue dots. Mini glue dots seem to work really well on fabric, so I always use those for the ribbon. So I just glued these two pieces to this piece of Whisper White, and then you attach that to the card front. And then this is from the Stitch Shape dies, and it is the largest die for the ovals. And I'm missing a square somewhere. It must be in a package somewhere. Typical me. Okay, so that's about it for the card sketch. Now, just remember, gosh, embellish this, rubber stamp it. This doesn't have to be just a sentiment. It could be a figure. It could be a deer or Christmas tree, because this is pretty much Christmas paper. I mean, you could probably use this also as for Thanksgiving. But that's how I'm doing this particular card sketch. One of the things I need to remind you is that if you make a comment on this video, it doesn't have to be today, it has to be before next week's video at 8 a.m. next Wednesday, which is, let me pull up my calendar here. Next Wednesday is September already, September the 2nd. So if you make a comment before 8 a.m. on September the 2nd, you will be put into a drawing, and you'll get some Stampin' Up! Prizes. Okay? I want to thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. This will be uploaded, and the dimensions and the information with regard to the products that I used will also be available. Thank you. Have a great day. And I will see you on Sunday for my live at 10 o'clock on at Pacific time. We're still on Pacific time. And that will be usually it's about half hour to 40 minutes of putting a card together, and I'm thinking maybe it'll be a 3D project. I love 3D projects this time of the year because I'm always giving gifts away. So I hope to see you on Sunday. Take care, be safe, be healthy, and have a great day. Bye-bye.